Wisconsin weather for 20 years. Chief Meteorologist Cameron Moreland.
It has been 10 days since most of us have seen high temperatures up into the 70s, but they're coming back. Here's a look at your 7-day temperature trend. Highs tomorrow mainly in the lower to mid 60s. Some of you will see 70s, others will be stuck in the 40s. Right around 60 on Wednesday, lower 60s on Thursday, and then easterly winds turn to the south and west. And once that happens, everybody's going to warm up. It looks like lower to mid 70s as we move into the weekend. Right now we have a huge range in temperatures, which is typical this time of year with an easterly flow. It is 44 degrees in Kewaunee compared to 69 in Wapaka. We're looking at 68 degrees in Watoma compared to a bay-cooled Oconto, where it's currently 54. Right now in Green Bay, it is 60 degrees with mostly sunny skies and an east to northeast wind at around 10 miles per hour. In the valley, it is 63 and absolutely beautiful. Sunny skies and light winds. NBC 26 Precision Radar shows quiet conditions across the state of Wisconsin. Really not a whole lot going on today. Interestingly enough, our weather was actually coming in out of the east. Here is a water tower in Ashwaubenon. We also have Lambeau Field right there, and you can see some clouds kind of coming in from Lake Michigan. And Michigan, our main weather maker today, obviously high pressure, but out to the east we have an upper level low situated here in eastern Canada or across the northeastern part of the country, and actually kind of pushing some clouds back into eastern Wisconsin. We will see that throughout the night into tomorrow. High pressure will continue to control our weather at the surface with dry weather, and that means overall a decent amount of sunshine tomorrow. And then our next weather maker will approach from the west. It's a cold front. It'll swing through here tomorrow night into Wednesday morning. Out ahead of that front today, a nice warm-up, temperatures in the 60s and 70s, and that's what most of us will see tomorrow. 70 degrees in Pella. We can expect 71 in Silver Lake. Look for 66 degrees in Neenah, 69 in Bear Creek. It looks like winds could briefly turn to the south or maybe southwest during the afternoon. Right near Lake Michigan, however, it's going to be mainly a southeast wind, and that equals cooler conditions with highs mainly in the 40s to around 50 degrees. So your forecast for tonight calls for fair skies. Once again, some of those high clouds working in from the north and east. Overnight lows will be in the mid-30s. Tomorrow, sunshine mixing with a few clouds. All in all, another very nice day with highs mainly in the mid-60s. But once again, there will be that range, 40s east, 70s west. It'll be cooler near Lake Michigan, obviously, with that easterly wind during the morning and early afternoon. As we head into Wednesday, behind that cold front I showed you on the satellite map, we can expect northeast winds and gusty conditions here, both Wednesday and Thursday for that matter. Kind of a mixture of clouds and sunshine. Temperatures will be mainly in the 50s and 60s, pretty close to normal for this time of year. But then our winds start to turn to the south and west on Friday, and that means we're going to warm up. We'll see 60s to around 70, and then a sustained southwest wind for Saturday, Sunday into Monday. It may actually turn northwest Monday afternoon. That westerly wind equals warmer temperatures up into the 70s. We'll also have a chance for a couple of showers or maybe a thunderstorm. We definitely need the moisture, and then we'll cool down a little bit for Tuesday and Wednesday, 60s to around 70. Sunshine mixing with a few clouds, and then a more potent system moves in by next Thursday with a good chance for some rain and thunderstorms. Highs will be in the lower 60s. And, you know, April can sometimes be a dry month here in northeast Wisconsin, but typically we turn that around in May when we start to see more thunderstorm complexes kind of develop and move across the upper Midwest.
Right, we have that high fire danger right now, so we could use all the rain we could get.
Yes, and the leaves are really coming out now, so that fire danger is going to start to go away here pretty soon.
All right, sounds good. Thanks, Cameron. Just ahead on NBC 26.